it's the lowest conviction time to buy. You're pretty much catching a falling knife and buying breakouts. Some people would call us late. There's been multiple times where we buy a breakout, market hits all-time highs. That's when we flip risk on. Everyone's telling us, "Oh, you guys are late." That's when you have the highest conviction and the highest odds of the market continuing to rise is when you break to new highs. I'm not saying that's what triggers our system to go risk on, but when it does happen, we're still going all in with max conviction. That's the best time to do it.
Exactly. And I think we can now talk a little bit about CPI, right? Going back to that. Because our inflation index, which is a part of our regime model, has been bullish trend. So what this is telling us and how we when we look at CPI is that there is an expectation or at least an impulse of continued upward inflationary pressures. Now, this has shown signs of almost turning a couple of times over the last, I'd say, month, but it hasn't. And until it is shifting below Momo and trying to break trend, I think that the market is going to be in this like limbo state of where you start to see these like dips in risk assets that constantly get rebought